Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some pork loin in the Instant Pot with no pressure. I have a pork loin that I've been experimenting with in the Instant Pot here. This is 4.93 pounds, so almost 5 pounds, so this thing was about this big. So the first piece I cut off, I cooked it on pressure cook. I pressure cooked it like I've seen everybody else do. And I didn't like that. I thought it was dry and kind of mealy and didn't like the texture of it. So then last night I cut off a piece and I just seared it and then switched it over to the slow cook setting. And that one came out pretty good. So what I'm going to do today is try that same method with a little bit bigger piece. So I think I'll cut this about right here. And we'll try a bigger piece that same way. Okay, I can get it out of here. Alright, so I don't know how big that would be. Maybe a pound, pound and a half. I'm going to season this with some kosher salt. And some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic and onion in it. And flip it over and do the other side. And I'm going to add some oil to the bottom of the pot. I use avocado oil because it has a high smoke point, but I guess any kind of oil you have will work. I don't know, a couple tablespoons or so. And I'm setting my pot to saute on medium heat. Helps if I hit the right button. And I'm going to get my meat in there and sear it for about 5 minutes on that side, and then put this glass lid on there to keep the heat and keep it from splattering everywhere. I guess you could just use your regular lid if you don't have one of these. It's been 5 or 6 minutes, so I'm going to flip this over. Hopefully my camera lens won't steam up. There's how the bottom looks. Just flip it to the other side. Alright, get the lid back on. Seared for a couple minutes on that side. Now what I'm going to do is turn this off and turn it to the slow cook setting on medium as well and start it back up. And I'm going to try to cook the pork until the internal temperature is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. I have a quick read thermometer to check it with, so I'm able to just pull the lid off to check it. So I mean, it shouldn't really take too long. So we'll be back when it's when it looks done. It's been an hour and 10 minutes. I've checked the internal temperature of the meat a few times and it wasn't ready yet. So let's take a look again, see where we're at. It's about 140 right there. Let's try another spot over here. 143 right there. So we're just about there. So probably about 5 more minutes and I'll shut it off. I just shut the pot off. It's been an hour and 15 minutes total it's been in there. I'm going to get it out of the pot so it doesn't keep cooking. Don't want it to dry out. You know, I bet you could make good gravy with that liquid that's in there. I'm going to cut this right down the middle and see what it looks like. Just cut it right in half. Oh yeah. Look at that. Pretty juicy inside. Anyway, let's slice off a piece. See how it is. Alright. That's really good. After I pressure cooked that first piece, I'm like, no way, I'm not doing a video of this. But that way is really good. Let's see what Annie thinks. You want to try that, Annie? Inhaled. That turned out really good. I was really happy and excited with that. So it was medium on the saute setting, medium on the slow cook setting, then just let it go until it hits 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty simple. I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.